Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel your YouTube premium subscription, or you can say premium membership. So firstly I'm going to open YouTube. So you can do it on desktop by doing the same process. So firstly I'm going to tap on my profile icon. So I just tap on my profile icon and now I'm going to tap on settings icon. So as you can see there are lots of options showing. So I'm going to tap on purchase and membership. So I'm going to tap on it. So as you can see that my next plan is going to renew on April 14. Okay, so I'm going to click on YouTube Premium, and now I'm going to there are two options showing. One is cancel membership, and next one is manage in Google Play. So I'm going to click on cancel membership. So as you can see in the bottom right corner there is an option is called next. So I'm going to hit on it. So as you can see that here it is saying, the page is saying that finishing cancelling on Google Play. So if I tap on go to Google Play, it will redirect me to the Play Store. So I'm going to tap on it. So it is loading. So as you can see that here is saying that manage subscription. There is on the bottom middle corner is calling cancel subscription. So I'm going to tap on it. So it is loading. So here YouTube is asking to give you feedback that why you want to cancel your subscription. So I'm going to tap decline to answer. So you can choose anything, one of them. So I'm going to tap on decline to answer and I will hit on continue. So again asking a cancel subscription. Yes, I want to cancel it. So the page is loading. So just wait that here one pop-up message is subscription will be cancelled. So my subscription will be cancelled. So there is no need to be panic. So as you can see that here is asking resubscribe. Okay, so that means that you already cancelled your subscription. So that was the process. So I hope you like the video. So if you you can like my video, and if you wish you can subscribe my channel. So thanks for watching.